Oh my god, guys, I just got a call from Trader Joe's. They found my car key. I lost my key at Trader Joe's. At some point of me getting out of my car and then doing some shopping, I got distracted. I was talking to my mom and I had my keys in my hand and I was like shopping for produce. They found my freaking key and I'm gonna go ahead and go pick it up. I was about to mix my pre-workout so I could get my workout in, but oh my god. I just want to give a huge shout out to Bellway for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I have talked about them here on my YouTube channel before and I just got a re-up of my fiber supplement. This time around I am trying the raspberry lemon flavor. So that's what the packaging, you get so much stuff. So I just wanted to talk about the importance of fiber and why you should incorporate it within your diet. As you guys will see in today's video, I eat so much food. Right now I am on a journey to gain weight, so I'm eating about 2,800 to 3,000 calories every day, and that's just my own personal goal. So when I'm consuming so much food spread throughout the day, it's super key to make sure that my digestion is working proper, make sure that I'm not feeling bloated, gassy, making sure I don't have indigestion, and making sure that I am regulated in the restroom and that my gut is healthy and my gut is happy. At the end of the day, we all want to be able to eat a meal and have it come right out. You know, you don't want to be eating something and then it just stick to you, but that can be a problem if you don't eat, let's say, enough fiber-rich foods like apples and, you know, fruits and vegetables, the skins of the foods as well. I know myself enough to know that I need to supplement fiber because as I track, I notice that I'm not always hitting my goal. So that's where Bellway comes to play, and they were so sweet to hook you guys up with 25% off your first Bellway order. So I'll be sure to link that down below. And it's really yummy. They have a bunch of different flavors. You can get the tub size like I have here, or I might have some, I have some left over. Some individual serves as well. So let's say you want to take some to work with you, throw it in your lunch bag. You can have these ready to go and you just need water to mix it together. You can also throw it in your smoothies if you're like me and you make a lot of smoothies. These are a great thing to incorporate. So some other flavors that they have is mixed berry, and I have a lemon lime. So if those are your vibes, definitely check those out. And also what I love is this is organic, which is nice. It's important for me to have quality supplements, and I love supplements when I can't get in enough, you know, plant foods and stuff like that. So it's gluten-free and vegan friendly, so I love that as well, so everyone can enjoy it. And I just have a glass of cold water. So I'm gonna mix that up. And you can have this 1 to 3 times a day. I find that I really only need it 1 time a day because for the most part I'm eating super healthy whole foods and it just runs through my body anyway. So this really just helps me, again, not just feel uncomfortable when I'm eating so much. And this is also good for those of my dolls that are trying to lose weight, because the whole point for weight loss is, again, burning through the food. Food is energy, and I know this because I have worked very hard to get my metabolism to be as fast as it is, which is why I'm so regulated. But also intermittent fasting, oh my gosh, has done wonders with speeding up my metabolism. So if you do things like that, you're eating clean, you have enough fiber in your diet, it's really gonna help aid weight loss when you combine it with stuff like that. Just gonna give it a mix. This is what it looks like. This is the raspberry lemon. Cheers! Very good. There's no added sugar, you guys. Definitely be sure to check them out. Again, you guys will get 25% off your first Bellway order. I feel like I have freaking fiber supplement everywhere, but I am just so convenient. I'm here for the convenience. If I can mix a little drink together in 2.5 seconds and down it, I am so here for it. Sorry, I had to talk to my brother, and then my mom had just called me. Guys, there's just been a lot going on this week. First of all, my boobs are huge. And I got the small boobies out here, so oh my god. And they're kind of like, ooh, I feel like I need to go into detail in another video, but those are my dolls that keep up with me on Instagram. You guys know that I have been taking yellow maca root powder every day. I just throw it in my smoothies. I know this car is not about to run into me and then hit this biker. So yeah, and that stuff messes with your hormones, but the thing is, it's a superfood and it's natural, and I'm just doing a lot of different things right now when it comes to my fitness journey, and also doing them simultaneously. Why did I feel like I said that wrong? Simultaneously, all at the same time, because this month I am playing no games. Like, we are eating high protein, we are drinking our water, we are doing consistent, consecutive workout days. You know, like, I'm just not playing around. Like, I really want to just see what I'm capable of mentally, physically, spiritually, all of that stuff. It's all combined. But if you would be interested in a full video just documenting maybe like a month of just being on maca every day, the reason why I'm taking it is for weight gain, and it definitely does help grow like your curves because of the hormonal balancing. I've just been reading about it, and obviously everyone's bodies is different, but I know for a fact my boobs, like, they only get big on that time of the month, and I'm not on that time of the month or close to it. So it is for sure the maca root. So they say that it helps to grow bigger chest and then also bigger hips, which is my goal. So that's why I'm interested to see, since I measured myself already, and you know, I have my current measurements before maca. Shout out Trader Joe's. I did not get groceries. I was a little too embarrassed for the fact that I lost my freaking key, but that's okay. They also don't sell gallon waters that I like. So there's that, but I can go get water somewhere else. I'm just so excited. All I can say is keep calm and good things will happen. Things don't happen to you, they happen for you, and that just taught me a lot of patience. And honestly, I don't know if you guys have ever seen that, was it a meme? Not a meme, it was probably like a TikTok or something of, what is Kylie Jenner's daughter's name? I really don't be keeping up. Northwest, what is her name? I don't know, I'm having a brain fart. What is her name? It's gonna drive me nuts. Stormy. Oh my god, you guys are gonna kill me in the comments. Stormy, when she was like not supposed to eat the M&M's, just like patience, patience. I literally will just say patience. If that little girl can have patience, girl, I can have patience. I can have all the patience. Let me tell you, I used to be so impatient. Like, I want it done, and I want it done now, and I want it done my way, and I'd rather just do it myself type of vibe. Like, shout out my Leos, because y'all know how it is. When you have patience, comes less worries in life. So I'm gonna hang up the vlog right now just because I really don't have a lot of storage on this card, and I still want to go home and share with you guys my Amazon order. Again, trying new things out. Wanna play with my yo-yo. That's so funny. I pulled up and it's beep beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? I do. Now I do. That was a beautiful drive. Sometimes I just need to get out the house, blast the music, put the windows down, and just cruise a little bit, and then I feel more refreshed. I don't know, anyone else like that? Like, that is my favorite quarantine activity. It's the best. Alright guys, I am back. I'm gonna open up this Amazon. I really need to start my workout. It's going on 12:30, and I have so many deadlines that are due today. Oh no, I know you're not on my couch. Get off my couch. Boom, this is what I ordered from Amazon, and I'm excited about it. I'll put these on my Amazon page, the exact ones that I got. And I did finally go ahead. I was influenced to get these blood flow restriction bands, and this one actually comes with, I think, a few extra things like this case, which is always nice. And essentially, these are supposed to stop the blood flow to your glutes. So while you're doing your workouts for, you know, a short period of time, it'll supposedly help you grow your glutes faster. And I wanted to get these because, hello, I still don't have a gym, and I only have so much weight to work with that I can't really progress as much as I would like to if I had, you know, access to actual machines like a leg press or you know, a barbell or something like that. So that's why I got these for my at-home sessions. And oh, it does come with a booty band as well. You can never have enough of these. Ooh, this is a really thick one. And heavy resistance. I'll probably test this one out today. I'm gonna do glutes. I love doing lower body workout days. And this is the koala bands. I don't know, guys, I just searched on Amazon and found these. The reason why I got this style of the blood flow restriction bands is because there's no excess material hanging down like a flap, just because I wanted to be able to use them with my booty bands at home, since again I don't have access to a lot of weights. Simple, and it's just Velcro. So hopefully I can get these on without watching a tutorial. Again, this is my first time, you know, purchasing something like this. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out if it's on proper. I don't know. Anywho, this is what we're playing around with today, and I'm excited to see if, one, it's comfortable to work out in. Do I see the results? Obviously, I'm gonna have to monitor that over time. So again, if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing a video over, you know, 30 days, a month or so review, drop a comment down below. I'm the queen of trying new things out. I just tried to find the link for them, and it looks like they're unavailable because I looked at my order history. So I linked you guys to something similar and put it on my page. I'm gonna try out the band though. Sucks I can't give you the direct link. But these cloth bands are my favorite for glutes. I do use rubber ones, as you guys have seen in my at-home gym tour, but these pull on my skin and on my leggings, so I only like these really if I'm gonna be doing like hamstring curls or something. These are fire. These transformed my hamstrings, so I do think you need both. But my current band, for example, is a little bit skinnier, so I feel like I'll get a little bit of a better workout with this resistance band. So I have all my recommendations on my Amazon page under the fitness category, lots of fun stuff, everything I have for my at-home setup. And it's just really cool to find new gadgets and accessories that you can utilize for your sessions to kind of bump it up to another level. And that's what I'm all about, the gains from home. I think I am the first to tell you it is possible. I have the proof in the pudding. I have the photos, the receipts to show my quarantine gains. And I just want that to be motivation for you guys, you know, to be able to reach those goals from home if you don't have access to a full-blown gym. So with that being said, I'm gonna get my pre-workout down and get my workout going for the day. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are crazy. I do not recommend putting them on too tight, and I don't recommend wearing them for a full workout, like just only legs and then take them things off. Holy. Post-workout, I'm making my shake, and this is what I was talking to you guys about in the car. This yellow maca root. Try it at your own risk. That's all I'm gonna say. But I started taking this the start of February, so it's hitting me, and it's hitting me quick. I didn't think it would hit this hard, and like actually I'd be able to notice the side effects. They're good, I guess you could say. I don't know, but girl, I'm gonna link this on my Amazon page. Actually, I think it already is on my Amazon. I used to take it before, but I never had it like consistently. So this is new for me, but it's exciting. I'm excited to see where I'll be in 30 days. Now this is not plugged in. That's very embarrassing. Awkward. Yo, this is gonna have so much protein. 67 grams, you guys. Look, I told y'all I'm not playing. She's not playing today. I'm actually gonna Postmate Chipotle. I'm already thinking about my next meal. I was on the treadmill, I was like, oof, smoothie, yes. And then I'm like, I need something savory like beans. I'm craving beans and rice. So I'm gonna Postmate while I do some editing. And you know, I'll let this digest a little bit. It's going on 3:30. This day has been going by fast but slow. Like, I can't even describe it. Ooh, we have extra today. And I use Blessed protein. I just finished off a s'mores tub yesterday, so it's nice to go through them because, guys, I have 6 tubs of protein. So today, what is this one? I'm having the Cookie Crunch. Tastes like a sugar cookie, and I like this blended because there's pieces of Rice Krispie in it, and I'm not the biggest fan of it on its own, like if I were to drink it, because the texture is weird, but when you blend it up, you can't really tell. But if you like sugar cookie vibes, definitely check this out. I will drop a link down below so you guys can check it out. It is on my Amazon page, and they're also at, what is that supplement? The Vitamin Shop, I think. So I'll link my favorite flavors. I like s'mores and this one, and chocolate coconut is really good. I would say those are like my top 3 flavors. And then I also have birthday cake, which I need to finish this up. This expires in April of this year because this is like one of the first tubs I ever purchased, and it started a really big obsession. I just love their stuff very much, and it's vegan protein. And a lot of you guys ask me, how do you have the energy? This is not sponsored, by the way. Did I just say that? You guys ask me, how do you have the energy with soreness to work out back to back? This has BCAAs in it, and I didn't realize that until recent. Like, I went on the website to look at the flavors, and I was like, wait, this has BCAAs? That's exactly why I don't have like crazy like muscle pain or muscle aches, you know, when I wake up. And it just doesn't taste bad. Like, it just tastes so good when you mix it with the ingredients that I do in my smoothies. And I do have a smoothie guide and like a meal prep guide, lots of fun, easy recipes, and my favorite go-to food combinations. So if that interests you and you're new to eating healthy, being healthy, you want to start meal prep, you don't really know how, you want to start planning out your grocery list, planning out your meals so that you can stay on track and you're not out there ordering, you know, Taco Bell. Look, the guides are less than your Taco Bell order, bet. So definitely check that out. The links are always down below if you guys want that. And then also my fit guide for beginners if you're looking to tone up and get that hourglass curvy figure. So I'm gonna enjoy this, sit down, do some work, then order more food. Look, I'm not playing today. It's 3 o'clock. And I had roast beef for breakfast. Yes, I crock-potted some beef stew. And I had that for breakfast this morning. And my protein this morning was 42 grams, so I decided to do the pizzas, but instead of using tortilla, I decided to go for the Dave's Killer plain bagels. And it is like 22 grams of protein in the bagel alone. This isn't a super high protein meal just because I'm using pepperoni, and pepperoni is higher in fat. But I'm excited for this, you guys. I just feel like this is about to hit hard, like really hard. So I think I'm just gonna throw it in on 450. I'm just waiting for it to preheat and maybe leave it in for like 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I did top it off with some red pepper flakes and garlic powder as well. And I'm about to dive in. This is gonna hit so hard. I already know it's gonna be fire. The only thing that just looks a little weird because of the cheese that I used. It didn't like melt like traditional cheese because obviously it is a vegan cheese. So let me tell you guys if it's good. This hits harder than the tortilla.